Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create this double window card with the Joyful Flurry bundle. Here is my double window snowflake card using the Joyful Flurry bundle, which has all these lovely snowflakes and dies to cut them out, as well as sentiments and labels to cut out the sentiments, and these fun little extra dies that you can use to cut your paper and create a card with some fun snowflake cutouts like this. So for this card, I started off with a piece of 12. So I used a 12 by 12 sheet by 5 1/4. And the reason why I did 5 1/4 is since I only have 12 inches long, so I can only score them at 4 and 8. I wanted it to be in proportion to a regular card. So it's just a 1/4 of an inch smaller than a regular card. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add some of the Gnome Designer Series paper to the card. So I'm only going to put adhesive around the very edges because we are going to be cutting out the middle of 2 of these squares. So do not put any adhesive in the middle. And it actually opens like this. It's kind of a strange opening card. Okay, and so our next piece is going to go on the inside right here. And same thing, we're just going to put adhesive on all the edges. So now we're going to use the stitched rectangle dies to cut out our windows. So for the first rectangle on the front, we're going to use the 4th largest, 1, 2, 3, 4 die from the stitched rectangle dies. And we can just put that in the center as much as we can. And we'll add the top plate. There's our first window, and we can now use this for another card. So now for the inside of the card, we just want to measure this and make sure that we are lining this up properly. And we're gonna open everything up, and then we can place this down. And so that's created our second window. So we have our 2 windows now. So we are going to add a piece of white to the inside, and we're just going to stamp the sentiment in Pacific Point. So I'll start by stamping Joyful Wishes in the middle. And then I'm gonna do of these, 3, and then we'll do Pool Party for the next one, and then I think I am going to do 1 large one in Pool Party down here, and I'm going to do a couple small ones in the Pacific Point. So we'll just add this to the inside of the card. And then now to decorate the card a little bit more, I have cut out some of the snowflakes. So I've got snowflakes in the white glimmer paper, Pool Party, and Pacific Point. I'm going to use some glue dots to put these on. And I think I'm going to start with a Pacific Point white glimmer up here in the corner. And then I'll do a little one, so I'll roll the dot so that it's a little smaller. And I'll add one over here, and then another small one again. And I will add that one in the bottom corner. And then I'm gonna open it up and I'm going to add a couple more. So just want to make sure I'm not putting one right where another one is. So I'm gonna add this one over here, and then I'll do one on the bottom over here, and then we can do another one. I think over here would be nice. And the last one we can do up at the top. Okay. So now to finish the card with some bling, I'm gonna add some rhinestones. So I'm gonna do a large rhinestone on the large snowflake, and then these little small ones on the other snowflakes. All right, so there is my finished double window card. So I'm offering a free card class when you purchase this bundle or place a $50 order using my current host code. I have this emboss resist card and this shaker bridge card as well. You'll receive supplies for 6 cards, 2 of each of these 3 designs. Just email me after you place your order and let me know that you would like this card kit, and I will send it right out to you. Thank you so much for watching my video tutorial on this card using the Joyful Flurry bundle. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please like this video and leave me a comment. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you know every time I go live or post a new video. See you next time. Bye.